Welcome to Ausbildung. So today we will solve one numerical, and that numerical has been asked in GATE 1997 and that was of 2 marks. So let's begin with the session. Okay, so question is saying the value of E and I for the circuit shown in a figure are dash volt and dash ampere. So this circuit is given in here. It is asking about source voltage E and current that is flowing out of source I. And this question has been asked in GATE 1997 and this question was of 2 marks. So here we can see 2 amperes current, 2 ampere current is flowing through 4 ohm resistance. So here voltage will be developed, that is equals to I into R. I is 2 ampere and R is 4 ohm. So voltage will be 8 volt. And we can see here this branch is in parallel with 1 ohm. 4 ohm is in parallel with 1 ohm. So 1 ohm will have the same value of voltage as 4 ohm. So 4 ohm is having 8 volt. So 1 ohm will also have 8 volt. So here current that will flow here will be 8 upon 1, that is equals to 8 ampere. So here also current will be 8 ampere. So here we can see here the current that is entering is equals to current that is outgoing. So here will be 8 plus 2, that is equals to 10 ampere. So here current will be 10 ampere. So let's suppose here voltage is V and here we are having voltage as 8 volt. So here apply KVL. KVL will give V minus 10 into 1 minus 8 is equals to 0. So this will give us V is equals to 10 plus 8, that is equals to 18 volt. So voltage, this V is equals to 18 volt. So now by the help of this 18 volt we can find the value of current that is flowing in 6 ohm resistance. So current in 6 ohm resistance is equals to V upon 6, that will give us 18 upon 6, that is equals to 3 ampere. So now current here will be 3 ampere. So here we can see here current is flowing as 10 ampere, here is 3 ampere. So current I will be equal to sum of these two current, that is 3 plus 10, that will give us 13 ampere. So value of current in the circuit is I is equals to 13 ampere. And now we have to find the value of this E. So here we are having voltage 18 volt. So apply KVL here. So this will give us E minus I into 1 minus V is equals to 0. So this E will be E minus I is 13 into 1 minus V is 18 is equals to 0. So E will be 31 volt. So this is the answer for this question. I is equals to 13 ampere and E is equals to 31 volt. Thank you guys. Hope you all like the session. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye guys.